High school life, at ang high school life ay walang kasing saya. Bakit kung graduation ay luluha kang talaga? High school life, at ang high school life ay walang kasing saya. Bakit kung graduation ay luluha kang talaga? Ang saya ng high school, 7 years in my school, di na mapapantayan. Chapter nga ng buhay, nasa tiyan makulay, alaala kailanman. High school life, oh my high school life, every memory kay ganda. High school days, oh my high school days, are exciting kay saya.
Pagmumukha mo ay hindi maipinta, nakalimutan mo na bang tumawa? E sumasayad na ang uso mo sa lupa. Kahit sino pa man ang may kagagawan ng iyong pagkabigo, ay isipin na lang na ang buhay kung minsan ay nagbibiro. Nandito kami, ang barkada mong tunay aawit sa'yo. Sa lungkot at ligaya, hirap at ginhawa, kami kasama mo. O, ikaw naman. Kung sa pag-ibig may pinag-awayan, kung sa lapi ay wag nang pag-usapan, tayo'y di nagbibilangan. Kung ang problema mo'y nagkatambakan, ang mga utang di na mabayaran, lahat ng bagay ay nadadaan sa usapan.
It's your birthday, 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 birthday. Go show, go show, go show, go show, go show, go show. It's your birthday, 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 birthday. Go show, go show.
Check you out, girl, my heart's been so dry, cause I've had a love drought. Let your love rain down on me. Let your love rain down, you'll see. Let your love rain down on me, and we'll blossom eternally. What will you do if I come and talk to you? Will you turn your back and walk away? Or will you stay, give me the time of day? Girl, I wanna get to know you, tell me what's the best way. I gotta know if I stand a chance at having you in my arms tonight. Tell me, baby, that you want me like I want you, so I can hold you tight. Hey, you pretty wahine, I wanna know what you're all about.
Done me and you bet I felt it. I tried to be chill, but you're so hot that I melted. I fell right through the cracks. and I'm trying to get back. Before the cool done run out, I'll be giving it my bestest, and nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's again my turn to win some or learn some. I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. Well, open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and damn, you're free. Look into your heart and you'll find love.
This guys without video, quiet. Ano?
One look and then you iba na. Malagkit, dumikit ang tingin ng mata. One smile, iba nang ibig sabihin. Di na friends ang tingin niya sa'kin. Everyday parating we're together every week. Palaging may sleepover. Ang tawag niya sa mami ko ay tita. Bakit ba di ko nun nakita until out of the blue? Ang feeling so true. Bigla na lang sinabi sa akin that this guy is in love with you, pare. This guy is in love with you, pare. This guy is in love with you, pare. Bading na bading sa'yo.
Why can't they understand the way we feel? They just don't trust what they can't explain. Well, I know we're different, but deep inside us, we're not that different at all. And you'll be in my heart. Yes, you'll be in my heart. From this day on, now and forevermore. Don't listen to them, 'cause what do they know? We need each other to have to hold. They'll see in time. I know. When destiny calls you, you must be strong. I may not be with you, but you got to hold on. They'll see in time. I know. We'll show them together, 'cause you'll be in my heart. Believe me, you'll be in my heart. I'll be there from this day on, now and forevermore. Ooh, you'll be in my heart.
I wish we could go for a while. I wish we could find out. I wish this time.